Introducing the COTIAR V22 cordless vacuum cleaner, engineered for deep, effortless cleaning in every corner of your home. Powered by a 650-watt brushless motor, it delivers ultra-strong 55 kPa suction power to lift dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets, floors, and upholstery with ease. The cordless design gives you total freedom to clean without tangles, while the LED display keeps you informed of power levels and settings in real time. Its generous 1.2-liter dustbin reduces the need for frequent emptying, making longer cleans more convenient. Comes with multiple attachments to handle everything from tight corners to upholstery and high spots. Built with a lightweight, ergonomic design, it reduces strain during use and makes storage easy. Includes multiple modes for quick cleanups or deep cleaning on any surface. Whether you're tackling quick messes or full home cleans, the COTIAR V22 offers the perfect balance of power, control, and versatility. You can find the product link in the description below.